LayerFive is a unified customer data and attribution platform. We help e-commerce companies achieve a single source of truth across their entire organization. Let's discuss how to use performance by media source. This panel breaks down the data from different media sources to show how different channels are performing. All media sources, including owned, earned, and paid, are included, so you get a single view across overall performance. For the media sources that have campaigns, you can drill down to get the campaign-level performance. You can even filter for a specific media source or all sources containing specific characters. Any click attribution gives full credit to every media source involved in a conversion. If two media sources were involved in a conversion, then both the media sources get full credit. With this attribution, there is overcounting of the overall number of orders, but it's a great way to compare full impact of a media source and compare with platform or publisher-reported conversions. First click attribution gives full credit to the media source that brought the user first, even if there were other sources clicked afterwards. Last click attribution gives the full credit to the media source of the last click by the user before the conversion, even if there were other media sources involved before. To learn more about the latest product enhancements, contact your account manager. For non-customer inquiries, visit us at www.layerfive.com.